You see, of all these 7 days, the auspicious his name is given to this Tuesday in Sanskrit, Mangala. Mangala means auspicious. So it's called Mangalavar, Tuesday in English, Tuesday. In our Indian language, we say that Mangalavar. Mangala means auspicious. Then I tell them, why do you consider inauspicious? Because the name itself is auspicious. So try to do something on Tuesdays also. You don't do any harm. So I try to encourage the day Tuesday. So then this is the, what you call the Mercury or the Buddha. Here it is. Priyankukalika syamam rupena pratibambudham saumyam saumya guno begham tambudham pranamamyaham. And so Mercury. Then we have the Jupiter or the Guru. Devanam cha rishinam cha gurum kanchana sannibham buddhi bhūtam trilokesham tam namami brihaspatim. Then comes the Venus, again a very powerful planet. Let me go through that photograph. So Venus. Himakundamrnalabham daityanam paramam gurum sarvashastra prayatkaram bhargavam pranamamyaham. Now how it goes? So I am reciting very slow. Himakundamrnalabham daityanam paramam gurum sarvashastra prayatkaram bhargavam pranamamyaham. It goes a little faster. But to make you understand, I go very slow. Then it is the Saturn, very, very, very vulnerable planet who can create damage for anyone. This planet stays in one's birth life for 19 years. So that's why many people you find suffering in their life for 19 years. They don't know what to do. Whatever they do ends up bad. Whatever they do ends up bad. Whether the investments or their children or their marriage, home, everything. So they don't know which direction to go. They become so desperate. So many people commit suicide at this period of Saturn. Their mind is so much depressed. So once we find out the position of the planet, we can try to communicate and reduce the effect of the stress on us by the Saturn. And here it is. Neelanjana samabhasam Raviputram yamagrajam chaya vartanda sambhutam tam namami shanischaram. Now for example, if the Sun and the Saturn, they are enemy planets, Sun and Saturn, the planets Sun and Saturn. If they are sitting in one house, I tell you 100% we will not get along with our parents. We either will be staying separate from our parents or we will not get along. So that is the effect the Sun and Saturn together can give you. Then this is again a major planet for health. Most of the surgeries happen during the Rahu period. When the Rahu and Sun are together in one house, the surgery cannot be avoided. It indicates surgery on the person. So this is how the Rahu works. So every planet is very, very important. So here, Arthakayam Mahavairya Chandraditya Vimardhanam Simhika Garbha Sambhutam Samragum Pranamabhyaham. Then final one, Ketu. Here, Bharasha Pushpa Sankasham Tarakagra Mastakam Raudram Raudratmakam Khoram Tam Ketum Pranamabhyaham. Maybe one sample music here. Yeah, here. This is sample music. Though it's not today.